Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn of ahmeddunn.com. So today I have a very special project with the walking lady. Although she's not going to show her face in this video, but you'll hear her talking and she will take over the video from now on. So what we're doing together is that we are growing plants such as tomatoes and sunflower and strawberries on our balcony, and we picked up everything from dollar store, and they're very cheap, they're not expensive at all, and the walking lady is going to go through the prices, and we're going to show you how to prepare how to do the initial preparation. So we're going to mix up with the soil with water and put the seeds in the pot, and then we'll put it on the balcony. So we're going to show that process very shortly, and then once we have everything on the balcony, then we'll do a follow-up video in the future. So thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see the follow-up video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and we're going to publish the same video but different editing and different way in both of our channels, and we're going to give you the links in the description box below. On this channel, I'm always trying new and different ideas. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel to subscribe. Thank you for watching, then I'll see you shortly.
Hi everyone! So today we went to the Dollarama store and we bought the things we need for our DIY summer balcony project. So we bought plant food. This is $4.
Yeah, very good price.
Yeah. And this is the pot base.
Yeah, that's like
2 pieces.
2 pieces, and it's where we're going to put the pot.
The pot, yeah. So let's put it aside. And I bought for myself the strawberry. This is $4 also. And for Ahmed, he bought tomatoes.
So I'm going to try mini tomatoes, and then also I'm going to try
The sunflower, yeah. So everything is included here. You don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Because everything is here. The soil. Yeah, it's here. The soil, the seeds, and the grow mix. And also there is instruction inside. So you have an idea what to do.
And also the the supporting stick for tomatoes.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so this one looks like this.
It's $4.
So in case the tomato plant grows longer, then you're gonna have to put this to support the tomatoes.
Yeah, like when it grows up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it will not bend.
Right. Okay, so.
So now we will show you what is inside the pot. Okay. Actually, I don't need to use a scissor.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so yeah, so you will see inside the seeds. This is the seeds, sunflower, and there is here the soil. And
the soil kind of looks like burger.
Yeah, like burger. So we will show you how to put it in the water.
Yeah, so you have to mix it with water, and
yeah.
then you're gonna put it.
We will use bowl.
Yeah, so you can take the water now.
So we will put first the soil here, and then we can add water. Then we can use the fork.
Do you need more water?
I think so.
Okay. Just put more water.
Yeah, but we have to make sure that it's not drowning. Ew. Okay, then we can use fork.
Okay, so you might want to use fork here.
Wait, my hand is wet. Why this is so hard?
Oh, I think maybe you need more water, and it has to soak in water a little bit longer. Okay, so I'll just give you some more water. Okay, so should be enough or more?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I think just leave it there and prepare the other ones, so that way it gets some water.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you have to just leave it, and you can just we can open the others in the meanwhile.
Why it's hard here?
Yeah, just leave it there.
Okay, so what are we going to do now?
So just open the rest of it, and don't lose the
Yeah.
seed.
So let's put it in the pot.
Yeah.
Let's put it in the pot so that we don't get confused later. So now we will do the tomato.
Yes.
Yeah, so see here the instruction. Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, so I think it's not enough water, so we can add more. Yeah, you just have to really see if it's getting soft.
I think you need a little bit more water.
Yeah, now it's getting better actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I can put it here.
Yes.
This is the seed. This is a lot of soil.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can put now some of it.
I think you're gonna have to put all of them.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Then you have to put the seeds in there.
But I am getting from the bottom
Yeah. Okay.
because it's already soft. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I think we can put now the seeds.
Yeah.
We are not a good planters, so this is kind of learning. Yeah.
This is the first time
Yeah.
trying this type of thing.
So we are learning also. Okay, I think that's it, Daddy. Yeah. Okay, so now we can add the seeds,
Okay.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I will put it in my palm so you can see. Oh, this is only how many pieces?
But I
Like
think
5. 1, 2,
pieces,
3,
yeah.
4, 5. So it's 5 pieces only.
But I think that's gonna grow.
Yeah. Okay, so let's just put them apart to each other.
I think you have to put them in the middle.
Yeah, in the middle, but
cover them with the soil.
yeah. So now it's on the top. We will cover it again.
Yep.
Okay. Yay, I hope it will grow like successfully.
Yes.
Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we can do the next one.